Hello everyone, welcome back to CodeLit. And from this video, we'll be starting the Python tutorial series. So here in this video, we'll get a brief introduction about Python. We'll also get to know about some of its features. And in this video, I'll also guide you through the installation process and how to set it up. With all that said, let's start the video. Here are our learning objectives for today. We'll be learning what is Python and we'll also get to know about some of its features and how to install and set it up. So let's start. Let's get to know about first what is Python. Well, in simple words, it is a programming language that is used for developing websites, machine learning, and event design. And the language Python is also very easy to understand. For example, a person with no programming skills can also understand what the code wants to say. Now, let's talk about some features of Python. One of the features of Python is that it is very easy to understand, and so it can be learned very quickly and easily. It is also free and open source, which means you don't need to pay any money to buy it. It is also high-level language and it is very portable, which means you can use it in almost every OS, like Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. Even if you write the code in a Mac, then you can still run the code in Windows and vice versa. And now let's install Python and a compiler to work with. So I'll be using here VS Code as the compiler. So let's go to code.visualstudiocode.com and install the VS Code. While it is installing, let's go ahead and install Python 2. And now let's set up VS Code. Make sure to tick all these boxes. Our VS Code setup is done, and now let's set up Python here. Make sure to tick this add Python to PATH box and then install. Now with VS Code and Python installed, let's open our terminal to check if everything is working correctly. So here type Python and it will show the version of Python we have installed, or you can also type Python ---- version to know the version of the Python that is installed. And at last, let's do a final check. So just type pip and now we are all set up and good to go. So that was all for this video, and from next video, we'll start learning Python. Till then, take care, make sure to subscribe the channel and like this video. Bye bye.